What's up everyone and welcome to our junior club. In today's video we're creating a cute unicorn kitty donut. Let's begin this lesson in the center of a page with the bottom edge of the horn. We start over on the left side, draw a curve, coming down, and we'll just bend that up on the right. Now from the ends we're going to draw two straight angle lines coming up and in, leaving a gap in the center. So let's start with the left, going up and in, go to the right side, pull this in towards the top, and then we'll round out the top, connecting those two lines with a curve. Now we're going to separate the inside of the horn. Start from the top left, curve this out and up, and leave a gap, draw that two more times just down below. Now from here we're going to layer the hair in behind. Let's start from the bottom corner of the horn, start by curving out, and then back in towards the side. Now we're going to stack the hair into three layers. Let's start on the bottom left, curve this out, down, and just pull that up on the right. We're going to go across and bring that back down towards the bottom. Let's curve this back in towards the right side of the horn. We're going to go up, and then we'll bend that in. Let's line up the top left side of the hair over on the right, curve this out, and just tuck that in behind. Now you want to add one more layer underneath, starting on the bottom left, curve around towards the bottom, pull that up on the right. Now I'm going to bend this back out towards a point on the right side. Let's go back to the center and draw in the mouth, starting with a point. From that point, we're going to curve this down and up towards the left, go back to the center, curve down and up towards the right. Now we're going to move down and draw a small circle for the center of the donut. Starting right in the middle, go all the way around, and just pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw two small circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. And we'll fill the bottom area of the eyes in black. Now we're going to give our character some eyelashes. Let's start on the top left, curve this out and up, step down and draw that again. Now we're going to move out and draw the side of the donut. Let's start from this point in the hair. It's going to start by curving out and then down. Let's line this up all the way over on the left side, curve this out and then down. Now you want to drip that frosted edge along the bottom. Starting back on the left, curve this around, pull that up, add a smaller curve on the inside. Now it's going to work our way underneath that center circle. Coming down, bending this up, round up the top, and then come back down. Now to work our way up towards the right side, starting down here, round out the bottom, go up, add another curve, coming down and up towards the side, and I'll connect these 2 points with one more curve. Now we're going to draw the bottom edge of the donut underneath the frosting. Let's start on the left, step in, draw a half circle, coming down, and then in towards the middle. Just going to pull this across, and then up on the right side. Now we're going to move back up and place the ears on the side of the head. Let's start from this point, curve the ear going up, and then bending that out. Let's line this up on the right side, just on top of the hair, curve up, and bend that out. Now we're going to pull the ears back in towards the side of the head. Starting on the left, bend this out, down, and then in. Let's add some frosting across the tip of the ears. Starting from the outside, come down and up. Let's round up the top, come back down, round out the bottom, go all the way up toward the top of the ear. Let's go over towards the right ear. Start by curving down and up. Come straight down, bend that up towards the side, and then we'll just round out the top. Now we can draw the inside edge of the ears underneath that frosting. Starting from the bottom, step up, just follow that same curve going up, and then from the inside going out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's our cute unicorn kitty donut. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.